All right, Wes is in the engine bay again. We are cleaning with the crud cutter, getting the nasty out of here. And then we're gonna mask and do a little tidy up and some paint. Freshen this up in here in the engine bay, make it look nice.
Make it look all pretty.
And then we're gonna reassemble, or start reassembling. We don't have everything yet, but we did get some goodies back from our friends at Advantage West.
Oh, they look pretty.
They party.
They real pretty.
Got our steering box back from Advantage West. You got our booster and master back from Advantage. Looking good, all freshly rebuilt, ready to roll. So Wes is cleaning. It's starting to look pretty nice. Wes, move your raggy right here real quick. Oh yeah, that's way better than it was. That was a scuzzy mess. So we're gonna get this nice and clean. Look at this. That is light years better than where it was.
Mm-hmm.
Good job, sir. It's detail, man. Good friend long time ago told me it's in the details.
That's what my mom always taught me.
Mm-hmm. It is in the details, and people don't understand that. Clean. It's the name of the game. Mm-hmm. Looking good, man. I mean, it was all looking like this.
Over there.
And now it's looking like that. And like that. This needs a little bit more. Come across here in the front.
This side of the front's clean.
Yeah. Yeah, it's ready to go. Wipe her down. Paint her up. Gonna be looking good. Good job, Wesley West.
Thanks.
Alright, we got Wes getting the frame, all the scuzz cleaned off. A little bit of solvent goes a long way. Definitely gets the shit off of the frame.
Oh, yeah.
Because it was way scuzzy. Like this side over here.
Yeah. See?
Scuzz.
Ain't gonna look like a new car.
You wish. I mean, we don't want it to be perfect, but we want it to be way nicer than it was. Damn, Wessie with the cleaning.
I'm busy.
Looking good. Almost ready for paint. Alright, so that's the plan. Damn, Wessie looking good. Masked up, ready to roll. Gonna do some painting. Gonna do some painting. Just like that. Engine bay is fresh, clean, purty. Good job, Wes. We had a hell of a day over here. You went to town, sir. Got her all spruced up. Alright, so booster for sure, probably tomorrow. We'll do booster and steering box. Get that in. Gotta get some iron paint for the linkages and whatnot. Little details. Coming along. Looking good. In the details. Purty. And freshy. Looking good. And now we start to detail shit. Got our booster and master mounted back up. Looking good. These are fresh out of Advantage West. They're getting rebuilt. Looking good and just so beautiful. It's coming along. It's getting really nice. Got some touch-ups drying over there, but looking good.